Welcome to a new episode about incredible stunts on heavy equipment and fails caught on camera. In this video you'll see high-class drivers performing various stunts, epic videos of heavy machinery, and more. Be sure to watch the video to the end, and here we go. Sometimes in the work of the excavator have not only to dig up soil or work on a construction site, but also there are times when you need to remove the body of a huge alligator. In marble mining, these loader drivers have learned how to help a friend get over the steps of carved marble. The Cat 966M wheel loader clearly can't handle the load, but it still pulls through, even though it's outweighed. What impresses me most is the load on the front wheels. Just imagine, the weight of the load and the weight of the forklift itself can support the two front wheels. Are you ready for that kind of performance? This crawler excavator is like a tightrope walker in a circus. It's probably one of the most dangerous jobs you can do. The driver of this machine has to cut large snowdrifts off the edge of a cliff to prevent an avalanche. This driver is clearly of a high level. Not everyone can drive sideways on a crawler excavator. Of most heavy machines, in my opinion, excavators can perform various stunts thanks to their pneumatic buckets. Unlike other heavy machines, when rescuing a heavy machine that had fallen into the water, the crane was in an even worse position. The Caterpillar 320C water excavator is a versatile and powerful machine designed for underwater excavation and dredging projects. Looks pretty hopeless. I wonder if this machine managed to get out of such mud. I love videos like this because they do a great job of conveying the feel of the size of the machine. You just look at that size in front of a person. What are those metal wheel attachments called? I understand it's for better traction, but what is it called? Write in the comments, I would be interested to read. The operator of this machine bites off the concrete and gradually destroys the building. It must be a very fascinating process. It's been a tough day for these guys. This machine got stuck in a swamp and it took a lot of strength for these guys to get the machine out of there. And these guys have a much smaller problem than the last guys. Hit the like button if you're impressed with the aesthetics of heavy machinery. Sometimes working on a backhoe can be dangerous. In these videos there are explosions when digging. pretty epic video. These guys may have dug the gateway to hell. See how a crane is dismantled? The accelerated video shows us that it takes a long time to do this. The crane unloads the counterweights and sets them on the trailer. Then it stacks its booms and heads off to another facility. This is a mini selection of truck fails. You always have to be careful on the road. You never know what could happen. This backhoe loader got covered in sand and couldn't get out. It is amazing how the power of the truck was enough to pull out such a giant. Having lost one wheel, the driver of this machine is not discouraged, and with a smile on his face continues to drive on the road. Like this guy for his positivity. The Komatsu PC210 excavator is a powerful machine that has earned a reputation for its exceptional performance and versatility. Equipped with a 164 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulic systems, it can efficiently move large amounts of dirt and debris, making it ideal for construction, mining, and excavation projects. I don't know what could have gone wrong, but this guy lost control of his machine, and this is what happened. Thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. On our channel, you will find many interesting videos about different big cars. See you soon, bye!